One little tip to enhance productivity is that you can easily manage and label your templates to keep them organized. To start, go to Template. Next, find the drop-down icon, then select the pencil icon to be taken to Label Management. Click Add and name your label, then hit X to exit the box. Next, click the More icon on the template. Then click Change Label. Choose the labels you want to apply to your template and then hit Confirm to save. Click on the name of your label to see all templates with that tag.